Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all Form 1 students, and today I will teach using your Formula A Plus activity book, page 44. Okay, today's topic will be grammar. Okay, this is non-textbook based lesson, and today we will learn about simple future tense. Okay. For example, A. Match the sentence parts to form sentences and then write the sentences in the space below. What you have to do is match the sentences, the two sentences, you have to match them, and then in this space you need to write the complete sentence. For example, if cars can drive themselves, we will able to travel safely and easily. This is the examples, okay? How to match? You need to write the number either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in these boxes, okay? Next, B. Language awareness grammar. You must complete the sentences with the simple future form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, what is simple future tense? Okay, for example, up here. Okay, the simple future tense is you must use the word will for the positive sentence or will not for negation or negative sentence. So you must fill in the blanks. For example, B1. You must fill with will do a science experiment tomorrow. For number 2, the astronauts. See the word not travel there. So you have to complete with the astronauts will not travel to space in the near future. Okay. So good luck. And please complete this exercise in activity book from page 44 and then send to Google Classroom or my personal WhatsApp. Thank you, girls. From your textbook, chapter 3, The Wonders of Nature, page 39. Okay, today we will learn about grammar, articles. You can see the grammar focus from page 165. Okay, page 165. The articles, the indefinite article a or an, while the definite article is the. Okay, so you can read 3.7 and 3.8. Okay. Articles A. Read the sentences 1 to 6 and look at the nouns in bold. Which words come before 1 to 4? The answer is words the and a. Okay. B. Match the sentences in A with the descriptions below. Which sentence has a noun used for the first time and then mentioned again? Okay, so number in the boxes either 1 to 6. Complete the rules with a, an, or the. So, how to answer? You can refer the grammar focus at page 165. Okay, especially for B and C. Next, D. Complete the sentences with a, an, or the. Okay, and then complete the text with a, an, or the. Okay, move to 3.7. You can see the indefinite article a or an from page 165. We use a before a consonant sound and we use an before a vowel sound. Next, we use a or an with singular countable nouns to mean per or each in expressions of frequency, to mention something for the first time, to show job. The definite article the. We also use the before. Unique nouns, names of cinemas, names of rivers, countries or groups of countries whose names are plural, musical instruments, nationalities, adjectives used as nouns, superlatives, the following words: beach, morning, proper nouns, names of sports, subjects of study. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all Form 4 students. Okay, I'm teacher Yafezah, and today we will learn about vocabulary. This is from textbook chapter 2, Ready for Anything, page 24. Okay. You can write the answer in the textbook or notepad or notebook. Okay. And then send it to Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Vocabulary. Read the sentences below and look at the words in bold. Okay. Some words can be both verbs and nouns. Their meanings could be quite similar or quite different. Okay. Now complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in the box. Use the same word for each pair of sentence, just like practice A. Practice A, use word help for the two sentences. B. Look at the prepositional phrases in the table and circle the correct words in the sentences 1 to 7. Okay, first you can read the table and then you must choose the suitable answer. For example, number 1. Danny loves adventure sports, bungee jumping in general or in particular. Choose the suitable answer. And number C, complete with the words in the boxes. Okay. After 3 days at sea, the sailors were glad to see ground or land. What is the most suitable? After 3 days at sea, the sailors were glad to see land. Number 2, the camp leader told us all to sit on the ground while he showed us how to put up a tent. So, I already give the answer for number 1 and 2. And try to complete the rest until number 13. So, you must do all the exercise on this page 24. Okay, only the A section you must read and understand which is noun or which is verb. For A, the word help. Thank you all. Okay, I'm teacher Yafezah. So today I will teach you about poisons in the air, chapter 3 from the textbook. You can find it in page 36. If you don't have textbook with you, I will send in the Google Classroom later so you can refer. Okay, first, read right. What you have to do is, before you read, try to answer these questions from 1 to 3. But these questions you don't need to write or submit to me. Okay? It's just ask yourself and try to answer. Here are some tips for you. To skim through a text is to read it quickly without looking closely at the details. Skimming gives you a quick general understanding of the text. So what you do is, read all the text, but don't really looking closely at the details. It's just for a quick understanding. Okay? Or quick scanning. Alright? And then study figure 4.1. Okay? Read it and try to understand. So this paragraph is divided into 3 sections. What is acid rain? The effects of acid rain and what can we do to help reduce the acid rain. So here is your homework. Reading for details. Okay? Write this into your notebook or notepad. Do it until number 12. Okay. First is reading for details. Okay. Find it in the paragraph. Next, making inference. Okay. Do it individually. Understanding meaning and context. There have been an example for you. So, for example, 10A. The word cultivation is in the paragraph 1. Okay, so try to find the word or phrase in the paragraph and replace the underlined words. Okay, moving beyond the context. This answer do not have in the paragraph. So, answer in your own words. Thank you.